is up? Welcome back to my channel. But if you are new, then hello there. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you decide to stay back and engage with me a little bit. You know the fun stuff. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Today I'm doing a little bit of a self-care routine, just a typical evening in really just spending some me time, taking care of yourself. So often people tend to neglect themselves and forget how important this is to do. So if you don't want to see it, then let's go. The thing that I did is exercise, because exercising really makes my body feel so much greater and lighter, healthier, and I love to just have a little evening sweat, because sweating makes my body feel so much better. Just a disclaimer, I already did my full routine, so I was already burnt out. Furthermore, you can see that my forms are not perfect, so keep your criticism low, guys. Anyways, before this routine outside, I actually did some running and jogging, regular squats, jumping jacks, some jump rope, as well as wall push-ups. So the first thing that I do is 4 sets of 25 the in and out squats. Then I get right into 4 sets of 20 lunges. Then 3 sets of 20. I do these full body sit-ups or crunches, you could kind of say. Yeah, I do that. And then after that, I get on into doing alternating knee tuck crunches, I believe you could call them. I do 3 sets of 20. Yeah, you could clearly see I was kind of skating on the mat. So yeah, I was already very sweaty. Anyways, after this, I get right on into doing double leg raises. These really hit your core hard. I do 3 sets of 20 of those. Yeah, I was tired, guys. I was burnt out. And this is a realistic thing. It's okay to take a rest within your workouts. It's totally fine. Just keep pushing. Once you keep going, that's important. After that, I go on into doing a couple 30-second planks. I do 30 seconds. I might take like a 5-second break and then do 30 seconds planks again. And after this, I do 4 sets of 25 shoulder tap planks. These kind of really hurt, and I realized that my form in here was actually pretty bad. I needed to drop my butt a little bit more. Then I go back into kickbacks or donkey kicks. I do 4 sets of 25. Then to top it all off, I actually just cool down with a little bit of stretching. So that is my entire routine at the moment. Next thing I did is wash my hair, because it really feels like a real donkey these days, and it's very sweaty and icky. But typically I don't necessarily have to wash my hair on a self-care day. And the thing is, if you can see, my hair is actually wrapped in a jersey, because I don't ever dry my hair with a towel. Drying your hair with a towel actually gives you more split ends and it's very rough. I don't rub my hair, I just pat dry my hair or wrap it up in this jersey until I feel like a lot of the moisture is absorbed, and then I let it go. So actually wrapping your hair in a jersey absorbs the moisture, significantly reduces the amount of split ends that you would have, and keeps your hair low on the frizz area. Also really like to make my bed, so I could be able to just jump in the bed and relax myself whenever I need to. However, as you can see, he's already taken the bed, so I can't fully fold my sheets. But you know, he's all cute and fuzzy, so why not just leave him there, right? That I'm actually going to use, I decided to use, I have a little face steamer. So all you gotta do typically is put a little bit of water in there. Yes, just until your rim. Pop this little baby on. Pop this on, and then when it gets pretty hot, you would just put your face in there. On the side of my little facial steamer, I have my rose water tweezer, a little facial razor, and a towel. To do my facial, I'm just going to like take off any little excess hair that I find is on my face. I don't shave my face, just regards my eyebrows, plucking my eyebrows. And then I love to put some rose water, but I also use a towel to pat around my face because I sometimes squeeze out the blackheads on my face after steaming it. Currently, my skin has rose water on it. I like to let it evaporate on its own, just dissolve into my pores. I use my hands because my hands doesn't absorb. Sometimes I use cotton swabs, but the cotton swab tends to absorb the liquid, and I just want to get all the product on my face. I let it evaporate on my face because it just gets into my pores while I don't like to wipe it off. Guys, you won't even believe how many benefits rose water has for your skin. It's like anti-inflammatory, it helps with acne, helps with things like eczema, gets rid of oil, dirt, it unclogs your pores, like all of these things, guys. Like, not to mention, it's very fragrant and makes your skin feel refreshing. I like to use it as like a toner in the night, after like I wash my face and bathe, or sometimes like I use it now as like a complete final step after a facial. Like, I would use this, and sometimes I put moisturizer on, but if I feel like my face doesn't need a moisturizer because I have a very kind of combination to oily skin, I don't necessarily put moisturizer on every single night. I could just leave it as so. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you like this type of video, if you want to see more of it, and also let me know what you do to really invest time and take care of yourself.